How to fix audio glitch in Minecraft for Windows 10 or 11 on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix sound problems in Minecraft. So first of all, in the Windows search bar, you need to type in background apps. Once the option appears, tap on it and make sure that the let apps run in the background option is disabled or the switch is toggled off. If you don't want to disable all the apps, just find Minecraft Launcher from the list and disable it. Next, you need to open the Run dialog by typing Run in the search bar. Once you find it, tap on it and open it. Once the window opens, locate the Minecraft Launcher folder and move the two files inside this folder to your desktop. Then go to the main, which is the Minecraft folder, the one you were just in, and don't close the Minecraft folder. Open the Minecraft launcher and log into your account, and once you're logged in, go back to Minecraft folder and replace the two files you moved to your desktop. So that's how you can fix the problem. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.